Are you struggling to find the right top to hide your tummy? Look no further because I got you. Say goodbye to insecurities and hello to confidence with these 5 types of tops that will help you conceal your tummy. Hi, my name is Brenda Lynn. I am a personal stylist for the everyday woman, helping her dress for her body, her lifestyle needs, her personal needs, all within her budget. So, before we begin, I'd like you to know that the secret to hiding your tummy is not hiding it at all, but drawing the eye away from the midsection and to wherever you want to draw it to. So if you have great arms, consider exposing your arms, and if you're comfortable showing your bust, then go on with some cleavage to draw the eye away from the problematic area. So the first top to consider would be a peplum, and this is actually the easiest and the best way to conceal your tummy. And as we can see, this has flowy sleeves. So from this top, you can see the V line, the V neck. So this definitely draws attention to the bust area if you're busty, that is. One advantage of the peplum is that it sits right below the bust, so it actually accentuates your waist, and it has a belt for that matter, and is flowy at the tummy area. So this will not show your tummy, and it works best with trousers and with skirts as well. So this is your go-to number one top. A second option you would consider is a top with embellishments, because remember that the goal is to draw the attention away from the tummy area to highlight other features. So this is not a plain top, and this adds interest to it. So by wearing this, and since your tummy is camouflaged, the first thing that someone will notice is actually the embellishments, then the color. I love the color, and make sure that the color of your top resonates with your skin tone. It's also made of chiffon material. Chiffon material is known for having a flowy silhouette or a straight silhouette. It's not figure hugging, so consider chiffon tops also if you want to conceal your tummy area. If you're feeling fired up at this point from this video, or you're learning something, please give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing, and please share this video with someone who needs it, because I know there are a lot of women out there who are struggling with this. The third option to consider would be a layered top, and as you can see how the top is constructed, you can definitely tell that this conceals your tummy. I love the fact that the inner layer is wide enough to be able to accommodate the second layer to come and cover up everything without everything underneath showing. So go for layered tops. Layers definitely hide your tummy. And another additional factor is the sleeves as well, which adds interest. The fact that it's not plain, and since it's a little see-through, consider wearing such a cami. Actually, I've worn this for demonstration purposes. So go for a black cami or a white cami, whichever, or a nude one, whichever will resonate with your skin tone, and whichever will just look good on you and flatter your body. The fourth option would be an off-shoulder, and as you can see how the top is constructed, most off-shoulders have a straight or a flowy silhouette, if not a fitted crop top. So this will definitely draw attention to the shoulders. For the ladies who are not insecure about their shoulders, this is a very good top. These hands are at least 3/4 or full. We're gonna see once I try it out. And another thing that helps hide your tummy from this top is the pattern. Once you wear this, the attention is all over. We will not concentrate on the tummy area. We will be drawn to the interesting pattern of the top. So another thing to consider is wear patterned tops. The fifth option, which has got to be the easiest and the most common way, is to add a layering option that works for everyone, works for every body type, and it downplays the tummy area or the hips depending on what your goal is. Maybe a kimono, maybe a blazer, maybe a shirt, as long as you have a layering option, and in case you may not have access to any of the tops shown, this is a simple way to do it. And so ladies, from that illustration, I hope that you have learned that it does not matter how big of a tummy you have, because there is always a solution. And that's what happens in style. For every imperfection, there is always a solution. For every insecurity, there is always a solution, because style is all about experimenting and finding out what works for you and what flatters your body. So if at all you've liked this video or you've learned something from it, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and get me to 100 subscribers. I would appreciate that. So stay tuned, for I will be having a part 2. I had 10 tops in mind, but I decided to break down this video into 2 parts. So stay tuned for part 2. Cheers.